Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add gradients in any picture in Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in canva.fonts and then click on enter. After that, create a blank design by clicking on this button, which is at top right corner of your screen. I'm choosing a YouTube thumbnail here. Now at the left hand side of the position button, you can see a colorful image. Click on that. Now you can choose any options from here to apply gradient on your image background. Otherwise, you can also click on this plus button and choose your preferred color from here and make a gradient image yourself. You can also add more than 2 colors by clicking on this plus button. Now you can make your editing more attractive. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.